Okay, astronomy quiz number 2. Make sure you guys have your hard copy or your notes. Remember, you can use your notes to assist you. Your notes were put on your Google Classroom on the stream on May 4th. This quiz, 10 short answer questions. So from the beginning of your astronomy notes through the moon. Anything to do with the moon. Be it an eclipse, be it tides, be it phases of the moon. Anything to do with the moon. Question number 1. What part of the Earth rotates at the fastest speed? Explain why this occurs. So if you go back to your notes, is it the North Pole? Is it the equator? Is it us here around 42, 43 degrees north latitude? So where on the Earth, latitude-wise, does the Earth move the fastest? And why does this occur? Make sure it's a two-part. You're giving me a location, and you're explaining why. Question number 2. On June 21st this year, where is the sun going to be the zenith? Remember, zenith is whatever is directly above you, 90 degrees above your head. And how many hours of daylight will the North Pole through the Arctic Circle, or northern Alaska, receive? So it's a two-part question. So where is the sun the zenith? June 21st. Any year, June 21st, where is the sun the zenith? And how much daylight does the North Pole through the Arctic Circle? So North Pole is 90 degrees north, Arctic Circle is 66.5 degrees north latitude. So how much daylight do we have for those locations on June 21st? So remember, two-part question. Number 3, why on Earth do we always see the same side of the moon? How come we never see what they call the dark side of the moon? Remember, you're using your notes. Number 4, what causes the phases of the moon? Why do we have a full moon, a new moon, a waning gibbous, a waxing gibbous, a first quarter, a last quarter? What causes those phases to occur? Number 5, name 2 pieces of evidence that shows that the Earth revolves around the sun. How do we know that the Earth is revolving around the sun and the sun is not revolving around the Earth? Dead out of your notes. Okay, this one I made a multiple choice question. What direction does the Earth rotate? Is it rotating from east to west, west to east, north to south, or south to north? So what direction is the Earth rotating? Remember, rotation, spinning on its axis. Number 7, what causes objects in the northern hemisphere to get deflected to the right and objects in the southern hemisphere to get deflected to the left? You need to dig through your notes. I will take 1 or 2 answers on this one. Number 8. Is the following statement true or false? Explain your answer. So again, two-part question. You're going to tell me it's true because, or it's false because. Your statement is the moon can only be seen at night here on Earth. Is that true or is that false? And explain why it's either true or false. Number 9. On the vernal and autumnal equinoxes, everyone on Earth has approximately 12 hours of daylight and darkness. In order for this to happen, the sun must be the zenith for this location or latitude. So where does the sun have to be directly overhead on the vernal or the autumnal equinoxes so everyone on Earth has 12 hours of daylight and darkness? So I need you thinking again, location, latitude. Where does the sun have to be? On an equinox. Number 10, you're naming the phase of the moon in the diagram. Here's the diagram. What phase is the moon in? Full moon, new moon, waning crescent, waxing gibbous, waning gibbous, first quarter or last quarter. So you got to look at how much of the moon is illuminated or lit. And is it the left side or is it the right side? Okay, that is your quiz number 2.